Everising was established in 1982. Specializing in the area of cutting and producing various metal band saws, wafer band saws, and circular saws, we have marketed under the brand Everising for more than 30 years, both domestically and worldwide. It's been the largest band saw manufacturer in Southeast Asia. With efforts by the president and several founders, it follows the principles: customer-oriented, quality first, continuous innovation, leading technology, and service first, to continuously and stably grow. The company has also obtained CE certificate and ISO 9001 certification. Everising has been awarded with the Taiwan Excellence Award for its brand new models and was awarded with the Taiwan Symbol of Excellence in 2009. With the support of excellent technologies and brilliant products, the company has technically cooperated with well-known manufacturers around the world as their ODM cooperative factory. These demonstrate Everising's strong ambitions. Everising R&D team enhances their skills with innovation and challenge. Everising utilizes CAD/CAM 3D software to simulate the designs and develop the products required by the markets. Developed and designed with equipment and peripherals for customers with simulation from 2D to 3D practical models. We also continuously develop and improve new types of equipment to prolong the lifetime of machines as well as the convenience of long-time use. The products at Everising are divided into fully automatic, semi-automatic band saws, vertical band saws, circular saws, and so on. Everising has the best technical team and experienced senior engineers. The Taiwan headquarters and China factory in Kunshan have in total 60,000 square meters for production lines. With the scientific, computerized, and instituted principles, they pursue products of the highest quality and the best efficiency. The company produces high-technique saws that are applicable to industrial materials such as steel, aluminum, jewelry, quartz, silicon, and so on. The headquarters in Taiwan has invested in the establishment of an automated storage retrieval system, ASRS, with 2,800 storages. It can save space and increase the efficiency of warehousing and production to reinforce the industrial competitiveness of Everising and make the quality more stable. The various procedures from R&D, manufacture, quality control, delivery, to after-sales service all have their respective criteria. The product data management, oriented by project development with ERP system, can constitute complete quality resumes of products to have perfect after-sales services. To ensure the stable quality, all machines in Everising are self-inspected in the production processes. The Quality Control Department further inspects and tests with instruments in high precision, such as noise, vibration, high-speed cutting, and so on, to ensure the quality at delivery. Every machine produced by Everising complies with international inspection standards. Everising will continuously enhance the technologies in the production processes, provide excellent quality and reasonably priced products, as well as the best customer service to strive forward with all and create the future together.